Okay, welcome back. Hey, listen, thank you for tuning in again. Welcome to I Am Charles Gibbs. I Am Charles Gibbs. You know, if you haven't been here before, thank you for joining me today. So I'm responding to your comments. So I'm responding to you guys that left comments. I'm responding to your questions or comments. So here's a question from, before we do that, guys, you got to do this one thing for me. It's something that you probably never heard of. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell, and share this stuff. No, listen, guys, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. I probably didn't say that right. The like, subscribe, comment, bell notification. It's like 4 things that you guys do. You put it on your Facebook page, put it on your Twitter, put it on your Instagram, whatever. Leave a comment. Okay, there's a lot of stuff I'm asking you to do. Don't worry about it. Guys, if you feel like watching it, if you feel like doing this for me, do it for me. If you don't, I understand. It's too much, right, to hit that button. Is it too much to hit that button? So let's get to it. Okay, so here we go. So I'm responding to your comments. So he got a question here from It's Me E.T. Go check out her page, guys. She has a YouTube page. She's a new business owner. She's telling you about jewelry. Okay. So she says, could you do a video on what your biggest challenges are with property preservation? Okay, like any business, there are positives and negatives. It all depends on how you look at it. So I think one of the biggest challenges is there's a mindset shift that I go into when I go into the city to do these properties. As you guys probably seen, I never know what I'm getting. I mean, attacked by cats, could be drug addicts, drug dealers inside the house. There's been sex going on a pair of dirty underwear.
Jesus Christ.
Rats. You guys have seen it. Probably the most disgusting things, drug needles, in the alleys and sometimes in the houses, so you have to be really careful. I think it's a business depending on where you're at. And you don't have this everywhere, but it's nastiness. It's a dirty job, it's a nasty job. But it has to get done, So it's okay to get your hands dirty. My father used to say years ago, I didn't like touching the trash can. So he was like, boy, you nasty.
What you talking about?
You don't want to get your hands dirty. That was his way of saying I didn't want to get my hands dirty. So I'm nice, nasty. I don't even know how that goes, but that's what he used to say. Well, don't be nice, nasty. Don't be nice, nasty. Whatever nice, nasty is. So that's one of the biggest things. I'm gonna bring him on one day. I'm gonna bring. They call him Rev. I'm gonna bring the Rev on. Let him preach to y'all, and y'all gonna see, man. He's comical. He's funny in his own little way, but he knows about repairing houses and all this stuff. But anyway, back to what I'm saying. The challenges that I've had over this time in this property preservation business has been really just never knowing what you're getting into. So you walk into a house, you have to change your mindset. You have to be ready to defend yourself. I talked about it in one video and you've seen it. I go in there, I'm thinking, well, I'm going to fix a house, and next thing I know, 2 drug addicts are coming out the door, So some things I don't want to talk about because I don't want to get demonetized or looked at as violent, but I do have to protect myself. So, so you just never know. So the biggest challenges, I think, with this business, you just never know what's going to be in the house. It could be rats, cats, raccoons, dogs, birds, possums, crackheads, anything. You can get yelled at by the cops. There's a bunch of stuff. You going in, you think you can help, and you getting yelled at. But anyway, we hashed that up. Everything's cool with me and my man. So they got a lot going on with this pandemic. But anyway, I would have to say that's probably been my biggest challenges. And it's easy to overcome. You just go in there ready to protect yourself. You go in there with the mindset of, I got a job to do. How can I find the money? I'm going to be in there being safe as possible. But also, I got to make sure that that I get paid to do this work. So this is the kind of work that you do. These are the people that you're going to hire going to have to protect themselves the same way and make sure that they're all right when they go into these houses. So that's a part of the business. That's a part of the challenges. So do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And share this with everyone you know. See ya!